Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one product comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops. On my left, we have the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop, a powerful little beast that promises to clean and sanitize your floors without harsh chemicals. And on my right, we have the Shark S7001 Mop, which, well, let's just say it's the dark horse in this steam mop showdown. Buckle up, folks. It's about to get steamy. Let's start with the price. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop comes in at a solid $164. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness and versatility, stating that it's worth the investment. On the other hand, the Shark S7001 Mop doesn't have a listed price, which leaves potential buyers guessing. While some users find it easy to use, the lack of a clear price point can be frustrating. Overall, the BISSELL is seen as a solid investment, while Shark's pricing remains a mystery. Next up, let's talk cleaning power. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is like a superhero in the cleaning world, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria using just steam. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness and how it leaves their homes smelling fresh, especially after pet accidents. In contrast, the Shark S7001 Mop is effective, but doesn't quite match the cleaning prowess of the BISSELL. While it cleans well, some users note that it struggles with tougher stains and areas. So if you need a powerhouse, BISSELL takes the lead. Now let's move on to versatility. The BISSELL Powerfresh not only mops, but transforms into a handheld steam cleaner, making it a versatile tool for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers highlight its multiple attachments and ease of use. The Shark S7001 Mop, however, is more limited in function, primarily focusing on mopping. While it does a good job, it lacks the adaptability that many reviewers desire, making it less appealing for those looking for a multifunctional tool. Let's talk about power cords. The BISSELL Powerfresh has a generous 25-foot power cord, allowing you to reach tricky areas without constantly unplugging. Reviewers appreciate this feature as it makes cleaning more convenient. The Shark S7001 Mop's cord length is unclear, leaving users uncertain about its reach. Some might find this frustrating, as stepping on a cord while cleaning isn't ideal. Overall, BISSELL's long cord wins in this category. In summary, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is highly regarded for its cleaning power, versatility, and long reach, making it a favorite among users. The Shark S7001 Mop, while effective and easy to use, falls short in versatility and overall durability based on user experiences. Both have their strengths, but BISSELL clearly stands out in most aspects. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our hilarious and informative product comparisons. Which product do you prefer and why? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget, product links are in the description.